So we're now going to move from the pectoral fly and we're going to look at the rear deltoid now as well. And it's a very, very simple adjustment that we're going to do with a piece of kit. And all we're going to do, if you remember, we moved our position of the arms to position 1. We're going to throw them all the way back to position 5. So a reminder on how to do that again. We've got this knob here at the top that we pull down, and then we can push the arm all the way back till we reach number 5. Same again on the other side as well. From here, that's going to allow us to position ourselves back to front on the seat, if you like, where we're going to sit facing this way, and we're going to do the opposite movement to what we did in the last video. So again, that adjustment there at the top, and the second adjustment being that of the seat, which we don't need to do now because I've already got that adjusted to my own height. So now we've got the arms in the position that we want them in, to position 5 on this piece of kit. All that's needed for me now to do is grab a seat. So I'm going to sit on it the opposite way as to what we would normally do, face into the rear of the piece of equipment so that the backrest is in front of our chest, making sure we're sat up nice and straight again. Now for this one, when we use the horizontal bars versus the vertical bars, we're going to ignore the vertical ones this time round. Okay? Because we're doing the rear delts, it's the horizontal bars that we want to be grasping and utilising when we extend the arms out to each flank. Now, to make sure it's all set up for us correctly, make sure we can do so safely, I've dropped the weight down to 5 kilograms just to make sure I can get that movement going, and once I'm happy, I'll then put it back to the working weight as well. So, positioning the arms straight in front of you, you should get a nice grasp and a nice reach here, and breathing out when your arms extend out of the way, you're going to breathe in when they come back. And again, not forcing it and not rushing it, because you don't want to cause any further injury to yourself, cause any problems, and again, in doing so, you're not really going to get any benefit from it. So, I'm happy with that now, that's working nicely for me. I'm now going to adjust it to my working weight. So again, breathing out on the way back when you're extending the arms out, and breathing in on the way in. Again, not rushing it so the plates are slamming. Again, you don't want to cause damage to the equipment or yourself, and moreover that, you're not going to get any benefit from it. So, like so. And what you would do from here is anywhere between 12 to 15 reps for your rear delts. And the great thing about this is going to work just behind the shoulders and the upper arm as well. So there we have it, the pectoral fly and rear deltoid machine. The great thing about all these pieces of kit is they all have instructions on how to set it up and also illustrate the muscle groups that it works for you.